This is Tool Taz here. Right in front of you is my Diamond Rio and trailer. Limburg flatbed, but my Diamond Rio's right there. Day cab with a headache rack and a sleep toolbox sitting on the back of it. Pull the trailer off. Put it over here for now. Show you this tractor. Added a headache rack to it. Scratch built the whole headache rack of evergreen and cardstock that is a diamond plate pattern. This diamond plate here, for some reason, big glue, but it has a crate toolbox on it. Just wanted to come off. Go figure. Fenders. The hood opens up and tilts. The whole front clip tilts on this truck. Did a 9.7 Cummins, an updated version of what the kit has. That's why it's red. With the black valve cover. White interior with a orange hat, hard hat sitting on the seat. Did like a local run, a local tractor that you would run around town. Possibly just pick up freight or a short hauler. Cranberry red with a Rust-Oleum cranberry gloss with a Duplicolor clear effect. Over it, clear coat, and then a regular clear put onto it. Added an extension to the stack pipe, because the stock pipe would have stood about that long. It would have been almost cab height at that same angle. So the first thing I did is stove piped it, bigger pipe. Added a scratch built visor. Added my burr to the hood. Painted all the undercarriage. The trailer is brown and black with the cranberry details, white wheels. Ramps are done, they're aluminum. These ramps came with the trailer. It's the Limburg trailer from off the Dodge Flat Nose in car. The 40 Ford kit. So yeah, this is Tool Taz. I hope everybody likes my tractor and trailer. On to the next build. Haven't decided yet. It's either going to be the dragster or the Pro Street car. Wish me luck, guys. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.